Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Jacque Monae. You can just call me JT. As you guys can see, I'm in a whole new different setting right now. That's because I'm with my client.
Hey guys.
Her name is, I'm gonna mess it up,
Jacque Monae.
Jacque. I've been calling you Jackie.
Really? Everyone makes that mistake all the time. But it's okay. It's Jacque Monae.
So her name is Jacque Monae. I'm gonna leave her handle right here on Instagram. She's a hairstylist out here in Atlanta, in Gwinnett County to be precise. And today she will be styling my hair.
Yes.
She's gonna be styling this wig right here, and this wig is from Peerless Extension. So shout out to Peerless Extension for sponsoring this video and for sending out their hair. I'm going to insert a clip of what the hair looked like when it came and what came in this box right here. I won't waste too much of your time. Let's just get started. So the wig was made by myself, but she's going to do her own thing right now. I didn't do anything to it. The hair came like this, the frontal came like this, and yeah, let's just get started.
All right, so let's get started, guys. So one thing that I like to do anytime I get ready to curl the hair is I like to part it into 4 sections. And so JT's gonna be wearing her part to the right side. So we do the part right here. And are you gonna be doing a deep side part or regular?
Do you do?
Okay.
I don't care.
So she told me to just do my thing. So guess what? I'm just gonna do my thing then. Again, I feel like when you part it off in sections, the hairstyle just comes out, a lot more better, because then you can manipulate it the way you would want to.
Okay. So you always style it before you cut off the lace?
Usually I do. I wait till the very end to cut off the lace, and only because sometimes you may end up cutting off too much lace, or just because
I always cut off too much.
Yeah, and so that's the reason why I wait till the very end. And so that's the first section. Probably make that a little bit bigger. And this is going to be the second one. And I usually leave this section curling for the very last, because this is going to be the bang area, and I like to really do my thing in that area with the bang. And then this is the back right here. And usually what I do is split that right in half. Quite secure. So 1, 2, 3, and this will be your 4th one. And I start at the very back. Okay, so this is my very first piece. And right now, because I'm going for like a little vintage look, I'm gonna curl the curls a little bit more tighter today. So I'll show you guys on how to do that here.
I'm not even gonna try to learn what you're doing. I cannot.
No, yes you
can.
No, you really can though. And see, that's it.
What?
It's just a matter of just getting out smaller sections. And that's
if it's not a wand, I cannot use an actual curling.
But funny thing is, you can use this too to do a wand. I'll show you right. Those bouncy waves. I'll just show you guys how to do a little piece right here. So you're gonna grab this little piece. I said if I wanted to go with some waves, make it a little bit smaller. Only thing with it is that it just takes time, but the curl is really pretty.
So that's,
and this would be the same thing as if you're doing a wand.
See, that I can do.
See?
For that little thing you're just doing right now, this I can do.
No, but it's, I have to show you. Right here. See that?
Yeah.
And usually I like to go in there and flat iron the root just to take whatever waviness out of it, just to make it straight. And then I go in with the barrel. Curls are going in this direction, and the other ones will come in this direction. And I'll show you guys why I do it that way.
Yeah, and I think
so right now we're at the hairline. And one thing that I usually like to do is that I like to use the hot comb and kind of straighten out the edges a little bit, because then it allows you to curl the hair better and then create more of a natural hairline. So usually these are all combed out. Y'all didn't see that. Okay, so we're gonna go right here, smooth it out, right here, smooth it out, right here, smooth it out, And then I usually do this too because then when I get ready to tweeze the hairline too, it makes it look better. Yeah. And so right now what I'm going to do is just tweeze the hairline. I'm going to do a little bit more. Okay. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so don't mind me. And you just want to go in and break up those straight lines.
See, if I was the one doing this, I wouldn't tweeze anything because I thought it was perfect.
So this is the finished product. And now you see what I told you guys about using a hot comb, what it does?
That looks really good.
Yeah, and then we want to keep the hairline like really, really natural. So that's why we don't have any baby hairs, anything like that, because we want to have it very, very natural.
That's how they do it.
And I usually wait till the very end for me to comb it out.
Whoa, that looks good.
And then you can always go ahead and add layers if you want to, but usually this is about it because I just love that natural look. And then we're going to go in with the Got To Be. And I usually like to use one of these because then you can apply it very smoothly, and then you want to apply thin layers. Remember, thin layers. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and cut off the lace, and then I also went ahead and thin it out too. We're using Got To Be a lot of times, you know, it'll have like a little white debris, and that's normal because remember, it's gel. And so you're just going to get like a little wet rag, some water, and just wipe it off. It's just as simple as that. So this is the finished product.
Y'all, I've never had my hair like this. I'm not even joking.
You want to use your big tooth comb. Like, this is my favorite part. I just love this part. Comb it out. And then this.
No, you gotta do that again. What? Listen. Pause.
Let's go one more.
Wait a second. 1 second. Okay, let's do that. Wait. Yeah, watch this. Watch this. Look at that. Now I see why it's your favorite part.
Yes, right?
That looks so fun.
I love it.
Playing 2019?
No, ma'am.
No, no,
Not at
no.
all.
Look at the outcome. Look at the final result.
So this is pretty much it. So this is how I do my glueless install.
You did that.
Thank you.
So since this is an hair review, what do you think of this hair itself?
I think honestly the hair is really well. It curled really good, and I didn't even use any hold-in spray. So for the most part, I think this is some really good hair as well.
Love it. What do you guys think? I love it. I love the outcome of this. You guys know I always do curly hair. You know that already. So for me to have this done right now, I feel different. Ooh. Yes. I feel nice. It looks really, really nice. You did a great job, Jacque.
Thank you.
You did really good. Well, once again, this is her undo. This is Jacque's undo on Instagram and also Snapchat, right?
Yes.
Same thing. And I'm also going to leave all information of Peerless Extensions in my description box, so be sure to check them out. And yes, so thank you so much for watching as always, dolls, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Bye bye.
And oh, let me know if you guys like videos like this, if you like to see more of something like this. Well,